everyone, welcome to Kids African Drum course. Today I'm going to teach you the third class of binary calling and response exercise 2. The first beat for the caller is 4 slaps and the first beat for the responder is 2 tones, 2 tones. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go! You get it? Now let's play it twice on a drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go! Good. Now let's exchange. You'll be calling while I respond. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go! Now I'll be calling you 4 times while you respond. Then after we exchange, you call me 4 times while I respond. Are you ready? 5, 6, 7, go! Good. Let's try again. 5, 6, 7, go! Good. This is the end of binary calling and response exercise 2. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the notification button so that next time you'll see our new videos. And also to share with your friends and families too. See you next time. Goodbye.